we always going to miss them. We always, we are always like this was a मतलब आप जिसके साथ काम करते हैं, मैंने भी काम किया हुआ है और बहुत ही अच्छी थी तुनिशा, मेरे ख्याल से बहुत ही एक अच्छी आर्टिस्ट थी तुनिशा। तो उसको हम हमेशा मिस करेंगे और मेरे ख्याल से अब वो हमारे बीच में नहीं है, तो उनकी यादें जो हैं हमारे साथ, उनका जो काम हमारे साथ है उसको हमेशा ही सराहा जाए और उनको हमेशा ही हम अपनी याद में रख के ही काम करेंगे। हमारा इंटेंशन था कि हम कितनी बखूबी से अपने किरदार को निभाएं और कोशिश करें कि लोग उसे अपना पाएं, क्योंकि उन्होंने जो बेंचमार्क सेट किया है वो मेरे ख्याल से तोड़ना भी बहुत मुश्किल ही है और नामुमकिन भी है, क्योंकि वो बहुत ही प्यार किए जाने वाले कैरेक्टर्स थे, रोल्स थे और बहुत ही टैलेंटेड आर्टिस्ट के द्वारा उन चीजों को किया गया। आई थिंक वी आर एक्सट्रीमली एक्साइटेड एंड वी आर सुपर प्राउड ऑफ सिद्धार्थ because the type of hard work he always put into everything and the patience he had in his heart, I think it's all now giving him the results. So we are very happy and we are looking forward to the release of the film. हम दोनों भाई एक दूसरे से बहुत प्यार करते हैं और हम कोशिश करते हैं कि एक दूसरे को जितना हो सके उतना सपोर्ट करें। मैं हमेशा से मेरी चाह यही रहती कि सिद्धार्थ बहुत आगे जाए और सिद्धार्थ की ये चाह रहती कि मैं बहुत आगे जाऊं, तो कहीं ना कहीं हम दोनों एक दूसरे का हाथ पकड़ के एक साथ भागने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं।
Hello and welcome to News 18 Showsha. I am Chirag, Sehgal, and joining me today is television actor Abhishek Nigam, who recently joined the television show Ali Baba Ek Andaz Andekha. Thank you so much, Abhishek, for joining us. How are you?
I'm very good, Chirag. Thank you for asking. How are you doing?
Abhishek, you have joined the show unfortunately during an unfortunate circumstance. What is your approach towards the other cast members, towards the crew who are still recovering from the tragic loss?
मेरे हिसाब से everybody here working with a perspective of doing their hard work in what they do, and everybody here, I never had to do any approach or something. I've been very natural to them. I've been true to my emotions in my work, and they have always supported me through that. They motivated me and they warmly welcomed me on the show, and for which I'm really and extremely glad to them.
But like you have been asked multiple times about joining Ali Baba, replacing Sheezan. What we often tend to forget is how difficult it is perhaps for you also, because you knew Tunisha earlier. Is it difficult for you to be on the sets where your friend used to shoot once?
See, it's always about the perspectives, which I believe. And I just, in my mind, thought that there is a lot more hardship. The people who has made this show on their shoulders, they have done it like the people before me have done so better and so much on the show that has been loved by everybody. And the people who are already doing and making it, so they were also going through the hardship and an unfortunate loss, of course. So I thought that if I can help in any ways, I'd be very grateful and blessed. And so that's why that's where this inspiration came to me.
But does that add pressure on you? Like you mentioned, people before you have already set a benchmark. Does that, as an actor, does that add pressure on you?
See, when you have intentions to overcome anything, where you just want to, when you have bad intentions कि मुझे उनसे बेहतर काम करना है, उनको भुला देना है, तो वहां पे ऐसी बातें की जाती हैं। हमारा इंटेंशन कभी वैसा था ही नहीं। हमारा इंटेंशन था कि हम कितनी बखूबी से अपने किरदार को निभाएं और कोशिश करें कि लोग उसे अपना पाएं, क्योंकि उन्होंने जो बेंचमार्क सेट किया है वो मेरे ख्याल से तोड़ना भी बहुत मुश्किल ही है और नामुमकिन भी है, क्योंकि वो बहुत ही प्यार किए जाने वाले कैरेक्टर्स थे, रोल्स थे और बहुत ही टैलेंटेड आर्टिस्ट के द्वारा उन चीजों को किया गया।
Yeah. In a recent interview, you mentioned that you had apprehensions before joining the show. What convinced you ki chalo, let's give this a try?
I would say my confidence was on the makers. My confidence was on the people who are working so hard day, night and everything. इतना कुछ होने के बावजूद, इतनी मुश्किलों से गुजरने के बावजूद जब उन्होंने हिम्मत नहीं छोड़ी, तो एक ऑटोमेटिकली उन पर भरोसा आपका बन जाता है। तो मेरे ख्याल से हैट्स ऑफ टू दीज पीपल, आई वुड से। एंड बड़ों की जब आपके साथ सलाह होती है, उनका साथ होता है और आपके लोग जब आपके साथ खड़े रहते हैं, तो फिर आप you take up the challenges in life.
But comparisons, like you have also mentioned it pehle, that comparisons are very normal
Yeah.
and obvious. After the episode starring you were aired, did you receive negative messages on social media? Did you see people comparing you? Did that, were there negative messages at all?
Hmm. See, I have a filter. Okay, so I always welcome the feedbacks, good advice, and nice things coming to me. And if I talk about negativity and negative things, it's up to us how we take it.
Yeah.
And we can only what in our hand is to only work hard and be true to our art. So अभी हम वही कर रहे हैं और कोशिश करते हैं कि बस धीमे धीमे हम जिनका दिल नहीं भी जीत पाए उनका दिल जीत लें.
But when you were offered the show as a replacement, did you try contacting two Sheezan sisters? Did you speak to them regarding this?
I believe the situations were not, favorable where, I could speak to them or something like that. But I believe the people who were in touch from the maker side must have, had this to them. But for me, it was from a very different side. मैं बहुत ही दूसरे किनारे पर खड़ा हुआ था और मैं बहुत अलग तरह से चीज़ों को देख रहा था. तो मेरे ख्याल से मेरे लिए वहाँ पर जो चीज़ें चल रही थी उनको मैंने ज़्यादा ध्यान में रखा और मेरा भरोसा पूरी तरीके से इनको बनाने वाले जो लोग हैं, वो मुझसे ज़्यादा तजुर्बेदार और बड़े हैं, तो मैं उनकी ही बात सुन रहा हूँ.
Do people on set still miss Tunisha, Sheezan? Do they talk about it?
I think we always going to miss them. We always, we are always like this was मतलब आपके आप जिसके साथ काम करते हैं, मैंने भी काम किया हुआ है और बहुत ही अच्छी थी तुनिशा मेरे ख्याल से बहुत ही एक अच्छी आर्टिस्ट थी तुनिशा तो उसको हम हमेशा मिस करेंगे और मेरे ख्याल से अब वो हमारे बीच में नहीं है तो उनकी यादें जो हैं हमारे साथ उनका जो काम हमारे साथ है उसको हमेशा ही सराहा जाए और उनको हमेशा ही हम अपनी याद में रख के ही काम करेंगे बट हाँ मैं कहूँगा कि एवरीबडी मिसेस देम या.
Abhishek, you have been in the industry for quite a number of years now. इससे पहले another show of yours which was very popular is Hero, Gayab Mode On. How has life changed after Hero?
A lot. I think Hero was a gift to me and it was a blessing to me and thanks to Sony sir for always putting their confidence on me and they give me such huge responsibilities and I always just thankful to them and after that life changed a lot. I think as an actor हीरो जिस तरह का शो था मैं हमेशा से पूरे दिल से करना चाहता था और मैं हमेशा यही कहता आया हूँ और कहता था कि वो शो मेरे लिए बहुत खास है बहुत स्पेशल है क्योंकि उसने मुझे एक बहुत अच्छी पहचान दी.
But how did you land for the role of hero? मतलब कैसे हुआ? Did you audition for it? या कैसे how did you...
Definitely. Of course, I think I've auditioned so many times for Hero, and I think it was around the period when the COVID was going on, lockdown was happening, or something like that. So I gave my audition from the house only, or मेरे ख्याल से after a very long gap in time, I got the role. And I was extremely happy. I think I just shouted in the car, and that was some different level of happiness that was there.
Yeah. Your brother Siddharth is soon going to share the screen with Salman Khan for Kisi Ki Bhai Kisi Ki Jaan. How excited are you? How excited is the family about it?
I think we are extremely excited and we are super proud of Siddharth because the type of hard work he always put into everything and the patience he had in his heart. I think it's all now, giving him the results. So we are very happy and we're looking forward to the release of the film.
But घर पे आके कभी सिद्धार्थ होता है कभी ऐसे he talks about Salman or he talks about how the shooting of the film is going on and everything?
No. I think he's very professional. And in our family we are very professionals and but yes कभी बातें बताता है क्या सीखने को मिल रहा है उसे वहाँ पे और कैसे वो सेट पे मतलब enjoy करते हैं और all everything small details but I think Siddharth is very professional वो बहुत कम बताता है मुझे.
Yeah. When you guys are in the same industry, obviously comparisons are normal. Do people get nasty towards either of you?
See, again, there's a filter in our family, in our house, in front of me. We always receive or take whatever we want to. And there's a huge, I would say, solid rock that is in front of us. That is our mother. So, उनकी छत्र छाया में रहते हुए मुझे नहीं लगता कि हम तक किसी भी तरह की कोई बुराई पहुंच सकती है. हम दोनों भाई एक दूसरे से बहुत प्यार करते हैं और हम कोशिश करते हैं कि एक दूसरे को जितना हो सके उतना सपोर्ट करें. मैं हमेशा से, मेरी चाह यही रहती कि सिद्धार्थ बहुत आगे जाए, और सिद्धार्थ की ये चाह रहती कि मैं बहुत आगे जाऊं। तो कहीं ना कहीं हम दोनों एक दूसरे का हाथ पकड़ के एक साथ भागने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, और उम्मीद करते हैं कि हम जितना हो सके अपनी मॉम को प्राउड फील करा सकें, और अपने काम को जितना हो सके उतना अच्छे तरीके से कर सकें।
That's lovely. Thank you so much, Abhishek, for joining us. It was wonderful talking to you. All the very best.
Bye, take care. Hi guys, this is Abhishek Nigam and you're watching me on News 18 Showsha, and please do like, comment and share, subscribe to the channel.